There was a young girl who praised God before a king. Even when they threw her in prison, her faith no shake. When trouble filled the land, she declared, the God I serve will send the rain. Today over your life, that same God, they speak again. Lift your heart, look empty, and the ground feels dry. Call on His name, your helper is nigh. Open the floodgates, let your mercy pour again. Let every dry season break into living rain. Open the floodgates, come and do what only you can. Let your glory fall on this land. She praised your name in the presence of the throne. Fearless voice, even though she stood alone. They locked her up, but you carried her voice. What man rejects, you still endorse. Storms in the city, dryness in the land, every heart trembling, no strength to stand. The king saw answers, but none could explain. Only your mercy can bring the rain. From the prison walls she sent a word, tell the king there is a God to be heard. Chains on her hands, but fire in her eyes. She said, call on God, He will arise.
When the clouds look empty and the ground feels dry,
call on His name,
your helper is nigh. Open the floodgates, let your mercy pour again. Let every dry season break into living rain. Open the floodgates, come and do what only you can. Let your glory fall on this land.
Elders gathered, people filled the square, waiting for a sign, hope in the air. She stood boldly, steady in her tone. Lift up your worship, He sits on the throne. Heaven open, breaking every chain. Thunder of glory, rivers of rain. Every dry place, drinking your grace. God of wonders, fill this place. Whatever is troubled in your life today, call on His name, He will make a way. Peace to your home, strength to your hands. Lift your voice, He understands. Every burden carried all alone, every midnight Sabao Oso. Thank you for the rain. Thank you for the peace. Thank you for the breakthrough. Your name still carries power, and you will do it again.